How to download and install the Erlang for your Windows 11 computer system. So the Erlang or the OTP is a programming language and runtime environment used in Windows 11 for building applications that require concurrency, default tolerance, and high availability, particularly in telecommunications, financial systems, and other mission critical applications. So let me show you how you can download and install the Erlang for your Windows 11 computer system. So in order to start, the first thing that you need to do is open any web browser of your choice, be it the Google Chrome, the Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or any other web browser that best suits you. So for example, in this video, I'm going to use the Google Chrome. So as here you can see, I am inside my Google Chrome, and once you are inside your web browser, you need to search for Erlang download. And once you have typed in, simply hit the enter button, and here you can see among the search results, the first search result says download Erlang/OTP by www.erlang.org. So Erlang.org is the official website for the Erlang. So simply click onto this downloads Erlang/OTP option, and you will be landed into the official Erlang website. Now from here you can see that currently the latest version for Erlang is 28.0, and from here you have these download options. The first one is the download source, the another one says download Windows installer, and here are the download release notes. So in case if you want some older downloads or versions, you can click onto this option, and then this is the documentation. So if you want the documentation, you can click onto the last option. But since we are looking to download the latest version for Android, for Windows, simply click onto this second option, and you can see that it has started the download process. As you can see that the installer file is around 141 megabytes, so we will wait until this exe files downloads, and after that, using this installer exe file, we will be able to extract our Erlang packages and install it into our computer system. So the download is about to finish, and here you can see that the download has successfully finished. So once it is ready, we are gonna click onto this open button, and once I've clicked the open button, it will open the installation wizard, and before that you might need to click yes if you are asked to do so. Now here it says to choose components, so you can choose all the components that you want. So here is the Erlang component, or if you also want the Microsoft DLL, so you can choose them as well. The development will be automatically selected, and you can't unselect the development environment, but if you don't want, you can unselect the associations, and also there is the Erlang documentation if you want. Then after you have chosen your components, you can click onto this next button, and from here it will ask you to select the destination folder. This is the folder where the Erlang will be present. So currently it is set to the default destination, but in case if you want to change it, you can click onto this browse button and then use the file explorer to change the destination folder. Then simply click onto the next button, and this says choose start menu folder. You can leave this and simply click onto the install button, and here you can see that the installation process for Erlang has started. If you want to know the details of the installation, you can click onto this show details button, which will show you the details of the processes that are being carried around in order to install Erlang in your Windows 11 computer system. So let us wait for the installation, and here you can see under this last line this says completed. So that means the installation for Erlang has been successfully completed into our Windows 11 computer system. So the next thing that you need to do is click onto this close option, and the installer wizard will close. So now let us try to access by going to the search bar and typing for Erlang. And here you can see under the app this says Erlang. So simply double click onto this Erlang app, and here we are in our Erlang terminal, and then you can type your program into the same. So that's how easily you can download and install Erlang in your computer system, especially in your Windows 11 system. So that's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.